And we're here at the stand for Andrews, Kurth, Kenyon, and Jeff Dodd is joining me now. You're a legal firm. When we're looking at the low oil price environment and the issues that clients are, what are they talking to you about right now?
What they're talking to us about is efficiency, cost, but also how they can leverage technology in this very challenging environment. So this is one of the reasons why we're at this conference. It's a fantastic conference for that.
And when we're looking at leveraging technology, again, a lot of the specialist technology providers out there, I mean, coming up with some incredible ideas too. We hear a lot about standardization, but then again, people really have to own that property. And are they careful enough about that, and are they aware enough about that?
They're not as aware as they could be. One of the things that they're also looking for is access to other people's technology. And that's where we come in. We come in to help them to acquire the technology and also protect the technology that they're looking for, which is crucial to their operations. You know, modern business generally, the most important assets they have are information assets, whether they develop it themselves or they get it from third parties, and that's what we help them do. And that's why this conference is really important to us, is because this is where our clients are. They're deploying technology, acquiring technology, and licensing it. That's why we need to be here to visit with them.
Now, you're an international law firm. You have operations right around the world. But again, what's different in various areas? Or are we seeing the same problems, from area to area, or does it shift?
It shifts somewhat, because you have local conditions that affect these various offices. But generally you see now, because almost all businesses have become increasingly international because of information technology, you're finding a lot of the same problems recur. And so that actually makes business a little bit easier to do in some ways, because you're dealing with the same problems in the same places or different places. So, but it is a challenge. You have local conditions. That's why we have an office here in UAE, in the Middle East, because you have to still be connected to local conditions as well.
Now, this international conference coming here, SPE, a lot of big technical players here, and of course a lot of big technical sessions. Of course they're very interested, I'm sure, in what you're doing, but how important do you think it is that a conference like ATCE comes actually for the first time here to the Middle East?
This is tremendously important. There's so much happening in the Middle East, and our clients are in the Middle East. And so it's very, very important for this presence to be here. SPE does a fantastic job in a variety of venues, and it's great that they've come here to the UAE and to show exactly what they can do. It's a fantastic place, and I'm glad they're doing it.
Now, I'm reading some of your literature, and you talk a bit about the international energy law. Tell me what you mean by this.
Okay. Well, the energy business is by definition international. It has been. It's also, the energy business is a technology business. If you really think about it, in order to get it, find it, get it, use it, all involves technology. So that's why we're strong in technology and strong on the energy side.
The last time we saw you here, you were Andrews Kurth, and now you had another name to
Yes.
that brand there. Just tell us a little bit.
Okay, about a month ago, we combined with Kenyon and Kenyon, which is an old line intellectual property firm. What that means is that we've doubled the strength of our technology offering. So we now have 95 professionals that are devoted to various aspects of technology, including energy technology. So it's a tremendous thing for us. We are doubling down. Where others are pulling back, we're doubling down on technology.
And really, I mean, do you think this is where all of the key players in the industry have to just maybe pay more attention, and that will give them a bit more of a competitive edge, because they all need that right now?
Oh, absolutely. That's what they're leveraging. If they really think about it, information assets, including the things between our ears as well, and also the things we go out and get patents on, all of that's technology. All that needs to be leveraged. And I think the energy industry has been a little bit more reluctant now, but in the past they were leaders, and I think that's where it's going to go again.
Super. Thank you so much.
Okay, great. Thank you.
No, that'll be nice. And then we can actually, that little...